go then, another trip out. Off to Eastridge Woods. Oh man, it's going to be a painful morning. Oh well, we're out and about, let's get it while there's a break in the rain. Woo! It's going to be a little bit moist, as the lane up to Eastridge car park is got quite a little stream going down it. Best put some sealskins on, hey? Available at your local bike shop, Bike Tech, Newport, Shropshire. Lovely. Should we share that bottle? Cutie.
My first water bottle. Seb's water bottle.
Yeah.
My first water bottle, isn't it? Yeah.
Hello.
Good morning.
Boost, maybe I can get a smaller battery now.
Yeah. All the way up. Yeah, man. Oh, look at him go. Bern's on one. Yeah. Can't keep up with the bugger, he's off.
Oh. Right, but who the f*** are you and what have you done with Bernie? I just watched him just get, like overtake you. I'm not entirely sure that's ever happened.
Definitely not. He's on.
Yes, let's go.
Yeah, man.
Cycling.
He's on. Oh, he's here. He's here. Bigger, big splash. Some choice lines there. Bernie is definitely, Bernie's on. He's on it. Woo. It's been a while since we've been here. Whoa, it's gone a bit rough than it was. I reckon all the rain we've had. Whoa. Whoa. Yo.
I'm not gonna lie, he just completely dropped me on the top of that section.
Guys, pedal on, man.
He just got a pedal on. I was like, fuck me, he's off. Did you hear that going bang, 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 ting, ting, fucking pinging the tyre off stuff?
Has he gone up there? Oh no, he's gone down. You can see the skid marks. Woo, woo, woo. Whoa. Ow. Ow.
So we can go steady now then.
Ow. I mean, come on. Oh. Get a taste of my own medicine now. I'm the one that shouts pedal, pedal. And now Bernie is. He's on. I've got to get an advantage on these EBs. Yo! Whoa. It's been a while. Whoa. We go faster, goggles on. And a climb. Inside line. There he is. Boom!
He's gone as well.
He's gone. Oh, on the left. Mew! Let's have a quick nose. With a couple of a. Let's go.
To the Bernie zone.
Welcome to the. There's got to be a song there. The Bernie zone. Now it's been a while, fellas. We're going to take it easy. Try and remember this bad boy. Ooh. The gigger's on. The gigger is on. I'm gonna take a different line. Yo. Ooh. Hey, that's new. That is new. Oh no, I've totally gone the wrong line. Oh. Up he goes. Yup. Here we go again. Oh my days. Back up with topography. Shouldn't have ran. Whew. Where am they? They've gone. You straight. This is going to be quicker. Straight down here. Gotta be. There we go. Straight in. Whoa. Whoa. Forgot about that bad. Whoop. Whoa. Where are they? Have I gone down the wrong one again? Oh, bugger. Yo, there they are there. Phew!
And
honestly,
then, because you've camouflaged in the green, we couldn't see you.
Yeah!
The red light.
New merch coming out soon. Camouflage green. Hashtag follow the Wookie. Bit of single track trail riding. Whoa! Yo, man! Sideways action. He says he likes a bit of that. Just, oh! Man, he's there. He's coming through the undergrowth. Oh, it's real. Chasing e-bikes, it's flipping real. Wow, haven't done this in too long. Wow, it hurts. Oh, it hurts. Oh, look at these. We're getting proper fucking...
I had the tennis shorts that I was riding in though.
This is proper mountain bike athleticism now, isn't it?
So,
Fast and direct by vitamin C. Only for extreme athletes. And Berndog.
Berndog.
Did anybody watch Rampage?
Left. It was, whoa. It's been a while. I blame these glasses. New glasses. Don't know what the crack is. Different perspective on the old glasses. Whoa. Oh no, it's a big break. Big break. Big break. There. Loads of skidding going on behind. Woo. Whoop, whoop. Here we can have it. Yo. Ha. Woohoo. Whoop.
Yes, through the middle of the tree
That's
still.
yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Did completely unplanned Scandi flip
No way.
on that first long burn.
Boff.
I was.
Whoa. Here he is. The pain is real. Oh. He's in. He's in. Oh, he's off. Whoa, he's off. Hit the rocky section at Eastridge. Boom. Boulder section, not rocks. Wow. Yo. Oh, cheeky little lines. Yo. Whoa, that is warm. Yo, that's a boulder and a half. Yo. Ooh, not down there. Not allowed down there anymore. Whoa, yes, Bern. Whoa, that is sloppy. I'm going to avoid that one. Had it.
Yep.
He's done it. Ooh. Yeah, man.
Solar panel.
What's that, John?
These e-bikes with batteries are shit.
That axis.
Go back to the old fucking cable job.
How's that a battery?
The battery is fine. It's just the bellend that's sitting on top of it for getting the charger.
I won't push you, I'll just put you on.
Oh, here we go. Here he is. I won't push you, he says. That's a definite, I'm going to push you. This is wet. This is very wet. Whoa. Oh, yeah. He's got no mud guard. Oh, dear. He's going to be getting it all in his face. Yo. Whoa. That was wet. Ooh, stump. Oh, the old national track. Woo. Whoa. It's been a while, a long while. Woo. Oh, could have had a jump out of that one. Yo. Yeah, that's fun. Whoa.
Yep. I forgot how many routes there were. I was all over the place. He like
Bloody mountain bikers.
Thank you.
Bloody dog walkers.
Yes. Yes.
he's still
Yes, filming. You.
Yes.
Sound. Thank you, boys. Eastridge Woods, baby. Living the dream.
Secret squirrel massive. A treacherous lane, Eastridge Woods, baby. Like, subscribe, follow the Wookie. What a beautiful day it has been.